Honey secret recipe for general body wellness. Will you like to improve your lifestyle using honey? Use this secret recipe for your general body wellness. Keep watching. Honey is a proven healthy alternative to refined sugar. Honey is fat-free, cholesterol-free, sodium-free, and this liquid is rightly termed nature's nectar. Hey, my name is Joyce Ogu. I am an entrepreneur, a consultant, a lecturer, a researcher, and a public speaker. When you subscribe to my channel, you are going to get valuable and practicable information. You are going to learn more about honey, agriculture, research, and how to apply them to increase your clarity. Every single week, I upload 2 videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. Click to subscribe and turn on the bell notification to know when a new video is available. Click now the subscribe button as I continue. Honey's secret recipe for general body wellness. A healthy lifestyle is necessary for everyone to function effectively from day to day. Any form of deviation from wellness is detrimental and unproductive. Hence, it is important to always use honey for the general wellness of the body. This preparation will promote strong internal organ functioning and combat hypertension and cardiovascular disease, which occur as people advance in age. For this recipe, you're going to need honey, cinnamon powder, and some cinnamon sticks. Honey, cinnamon powder, and some cinnamon sticks. Now, to the preparation. You're going to turn your heating device to minimum heat and place your pan on the heat source. Then you turn your honey into the sauce of the pan. Make sure you have up to half liter of honey to get this recipe quantity right. Then you add the 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder into the mixture and stir it. You stir it on the heat. You stir it on the heat. You stir it properly. Then you need 5 cinnamon sticks. 5 cinnamon sticks, which you are going to break into pieces. You crush them into pieces. All the 5 cinnamon sticks, you crush them into tiny bits and pour into the preparation and stir thoroughly. You're going to continue stirring for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you remove from it. You remove it from the heat source. You allow it to cool. Then you turn it into an airtight container. You turn it into an airtight container. Make sure that before you start to use it, you leave it overnight for the cinnamon to infuse properly. For the cinnamon to infuse properly into the honey, you make it sit overnight before you start to make use of it. Then, to make use of this honey preparation, you will scoop 2 tablespoons of your honey preparation into a glass of warm water. 1, 2, and you stir thoroughly. Make sure you take the mixture while the water is still warm. You can take this in the morning and in the evening, daily. And in the shortest while, you will feel ease in your body system. And you will be thankful you came across this channel. If this video is helpful in any way, click the like button. Leave your favorite emoji in the comment section. And remember to subscribe to this channel. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. A comment will encourage me to make more videos that will be helpful for you and for several of my viewers out there. Thank you. Be kind to everyone.